In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube channel. And by verify, what I mean is you're going to get a check mark next to your channel name. This is not the verification that you can apply for to have thumbnails and other features on YouTube. This is going to be the verification which adds a check mark next to your name. So the first thing you need to do is type in on Google, channel verification YouTube, then come to this Google support page, where it will tell you more about verification. So the first thing to understand, you need 100,000 subscribers to do this. And if you scroll down even more, it's going to give you more information on verification. So if you get verified, you don't get extra features on YouTube. Your channel will stay verified as long as you don't change the name, but YouTube do reserve the right to revoke the verification. Now, if you need to apply, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. So my Google account is incorrect, right? I'm logged into a different one. I'm going to change it to my channel's account. So now we're on the right Google account. Now we'll get an apply now button, which we can go ahead and click on. And that will take us to the verification application page. It's going to say congrats on reaching 100,000. We're eligible to submit a request. So the channel name is KnowledgeBase. And now you need to enter in your channel ID. Now I had some problems with this when I was applying for my YouTube play button, because I was going to YouTube and then I was going to go ahead and click view your channel, and here it was showing me the channel ID KnowledgeBase 7115, but I was pasting it in here. And if you have this issue and you click submit and it doesn't recognize it, it's because you need to enter in the old channel ID. To find that, go to your channel icon, go to settings, then go to channel status and features, and then it should show you your old channel ID, which you can copy from the URL bar. That's just a quick tip. And then you can paste this in and it should recognize it. We can now submit this. And there you go, your email's been sent. We are awaiting verification, and over the next few weeks, we should be verified. So I hope that quick video did help you out.